Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to delete data from MongoDB database under this Node CRUD application. In previous part, we have already learned how to edit or update MongoDB database data by using Node.js. Now in this part, we will learn how to delete MongoDB database data by using Node.js. So for this, we have goes to user.html file, and under this file, we have goes to JavaScript code. And here, we have make one delete data function with id variable as parameter. Under this function, we have to write if statement, and under condition, we have to write confirm statement with message like, are you sure you want to delete this? So this will pop up dialog box on web page with this message and with OK and cancel button. If we have click on OK button, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have to write fetch method with two parameter, and in first parameter, we have to write /users/id variable, so it will send delete data request to this route. In second parameter, we have to define different option. So in first option, we have to write method as key, and in value, we have to write delete, so it will use delete method. In second option, we have to write headers as key, and in value, we have to set content type as JSON. After this, we have to write then method, and under this method, we have to write callback function with response variable as parameter, so it will receive data from server. And under this function, we have to write return statement with response.json method, so it will convert data into JSON format. Next again, we have to write then method, and under this method, we have to write callback function with data as parameter, so this method will receive data in JSON format. Under this function, we have call getData function, so this function will display remaining data on web page. So here, delete data function is ready. Now we have goes to getData function. And here, we want to make delete button in each row of data, so here we have to write button tag with type is equal to button, and class attribute is equal to button, button danger, and button small class. After this, we have to write on click attribute is equal to delete data function, and under parameter, we have to write row._id variable, so when we have click on this button, then it will called this delete data function, and it will delete data from MongoDB database. Now we have goes to server.js file, and here, we have to create one route for delete data. So here, we have to write app.delete method with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write /users/:id. And in second parameter, we have to write asynchronous callback function with request and response variable as parameter. Under this function, we have to write user id variable is equal to request.parameter.id variable. So here, we have store URL query variable data under this local variable. Now we want to fetch user data from the database, so here we have to write constant user variable is equal to await keyword with user model dot find by id method. And under this method, we have to write user id variable, so it will fetch user data from the database. Now for delete user data, so we have to write await keyword with user.delete1 method. So it will delete fetched user data from MongoDB database. Now we want to send response to client, so here we have to write response.status method with 200 success code, and then after, we have to write JSON method, and under this, we have to write message key with message like item deleted. So this response will be sent to client. So here our code is ready. Now we have goes to terminal. And here, we have run this command, which will start Node development server. So friends, here in browser, we have refresh web page, and after refresh of web page, here we can see that delete button has been created in each row of data. Now we want to delete this row of data, so we have click on this delete button, and after click on delete button, here we can see that dialog box has been pop up on web page with message like, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" with OK and cancel button. So we have click on cancel button, and dialog box has been removed from web page. And here, we can see that remaining data has been displayed on web page. So in this part, we have cover how to delete or remove data from MongoDB database under this Node CRUD application. So if you have learned something new from this Node CRUD tutorial with MongoDB database series, so please like this video. And do not forget to subscribe this channel, so you can receive notification for upcoming video tutorial. So we will be meet in next video tutorial. Lastly, thank you for watching.